Boasting the absolute best of that low maintenance, convenient Mosman lifestyle. Hi, my name's Max Thurkettle, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to show you through this home. It has everything you're looking for right on the footsteps of Balmoral's Golden Triangle. Let's go take a walk through. As you enter the property, you're instantly greeted with beautiful common gardens. As you walk into the home, you're instantly greeted with high ceilings. The living area is definitely a feature, flowing effortlessly into the dining and outdoor common area, boasting filtered water views over to Clontarf. The kitchen is generous, appointed with gas cooking, large kitchen bench tops, allowing you to enjoy the property as soon as you move in, transforming it with your own personal touch. The master bedroom is oversized with its own built-in wardrobe and ensuite. The home offers the best of both worlds, the ability to move straight into your own Balmoral oasis or to renovate, add value and leave your mark on your new home. What I absolutely love about this property and what I think is going to stand out to so many buyers in this price range, not only the local transport shops right at your fingertips, but the fact that you're just a stroll away to the golden beaches of Balmoral. After taking a walk through this home, I know it's going to stand out to so many buyers in this price range. If you have any questions, reach out to myself or one of the team, and we'll see you at the next inspection.